Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to swap Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet. Alright? And first open App Store and click on right corner search and click on this and write Phantom Wallet and open and developer Phantom Technology, right? And click on update or get or install and install Phantom Wallet, all right? And open Phantom Wallet. Okay, and simple registration, save security code for us, right? And open your wallet and click on swap. And this or center this, all right? Click on swap and you receive. Click on this and select cryptocurrency, all right? I'm select Ethereum and click on this center change. All right, you pay Ethereum, you receive Sol, and write amount. All right, and click on swap, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.